President of this country.
Usumbun Menteri Rangba Kejala iba Preston Johnson ilaang badai ban penkriak kelempep ya kibesong besa harijan koloni. Ulaang ba unsakhat ya kijingilang pedeng jong ke HPC lani ke harijan panchayat komiti bat ke sorkar hadian baladepsna ya ke blueprint. Ladep tha ya ketenat penroisor ban penkriak ya ke blueprint na ke benta ban penkriak jaka syong ke bapen iya barok ke jaka ke badan nalor ke jaka ke badan hatibi hospital laang uba tensong. Kador basnong jong ke mauba akalai kendo iau ban penpau ya kejeng persyak jor halor kejeng penkenriak ya ke besong besa harijan koloni syaka jaka ke TB Hospital.
Let us wait because, as I said to you, I have already instructed Urban Affairs Department to bring me the blueprint. Of course, one of the area is TB Hospital, and then maybe they have another options, another alternative. So for that, I don't have to mention anything. Of course, that day I met the headman along with his committees, along with the local MLA, who has expressed their discontentment, their displeasure to shift these people from the existing location.
Kinang hikai SSA